Baby out, sir.
Yeah, baby delivered, baby not crying. So
Time 10:15
can you,
PM.
doctor, can you cut the cord immediately as the baby not crying? I would like to take the baby to the warmer for providing help for the baby to breathe. So I will tell the mother that baby needs some help for breathing. So I would like to not to allow for delayed cord clap. So cord is cut. I am taking the baby to the warmer. So I am placing the baby under the warmer for providing warmth. So I am going to start initial steps as the baby has no breathing efforts. I will position the baby by keeping the shoulder roll under the shoulder. I would like to suction the baby for clearing the airway. First mouth, then followed by nose. Now I will dry the baby and stimulate the baby to breathe. After drying, I would like to change my wet linen. Can you please change the linen, please? So I will change the position of the baby. I am going to reposition the baby again by keeping the shoulder roll. Again assess for breathing, no breathing effort. So I would like to start positive ventilation by self-inflating ambu bag. I will keep the ambu bag over the chin, covering the mouth and nose. I will start my ambu bag by saying breathe 2, 3.
Dr. Prabha, can you please check the heart rate?
2, 3. Breathe 2, 3.
Dr. Dinesh, please connect the pulse oximeter on the right
Yes, sir.
Breathe 2, 3.
Yes, sir.
Breathe 2, 3.
I am connecting pulse oximeter on the right hand.
Breathe 2, 3.
Heart rate.
2, 3.
Heart, yes,
Breathe 2, 3.
heart rate is not decreasing only, Dr. Shafi.
So
There is
maybe
no
just is not
stress
coming.
also.
So I would like to do ventilator corrective steps. I would like to reapply mask and pull the jaw a little bit forward and try to back. Breathe 2, 3. Breathe 2, 3. Breathe 2, 3. Breathe 2, 3. Chest is not
There is
coming.
no stress.
So I would like to do other steps of corrective steps like suction in the mouth. Yes. Repositioning the head and open the mouth a little bit and again reapplying mask and doing breathe 2, 3. Breathe 2, 3. Breathe 2, 3.
That is chest
breathe
raise,
2,
Dr.
3.
Shafi.
Breathe 2, 3. Breathe 2, 3. Chest is coming. So I would like to continue my bag and mask ventilation for further period of 30 seconds. Breathe 2, 3. 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 Breathe 2, 3.
30 seconds over. Dr. Prabha, can you please check the heart rate?
Breathe 2, 3. 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 Breathe 2, 3.
40, sir.
Breathe 2, 3.
Heart rate is 40 only, Doctor.
So I would
Dr.
like
Prabha,
to
can you
discuss
please
as
increase
the
the
heart rate
oxygen
increase.
concentration?
So I would like
Shafi sir,
to
can
go
you
for
prepare for
intubation as we need to start chest
intubation?
compressions. So I would intubate the baby.
I am starting chest compression.
Yeah. So I am intubating. So once the baby intubated, I would like to connect it to the ambu bag. Start our chest compressions. Yes.
1 and 2 and 3 and squeeze
Breathe
and
in.
1
Air
and
and
2
three.
and 2 and
Looking
3
at
and squeeze and 1 and 2 and 3 and squeeze and 1 and 2 and 3 and squeeze and
Equal.
1 and
Both
2
sides
and
only.
3 and squeeze and 1 and 2 and 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 3 and
minute
squeeze
over.
and 1 and 2
Dr.
and
Prabha,
3
can you
and
please check the
squeeze
heart
and
rate now?
1 and 2 and 3 and squeeze and 1 and 2 and 3 and squeeze and 1
Heart
and
rate is
2 and
40
3
only
and
once
squeeze
again.
and 1 and 2
Dr.
and 3
Prabha,
and
can you
squeeze
please
and
prepare for
1
UVA
and 2
session?
and 3 and squeeze and 1
Yes,
and
sir,
2
I'm
and
making
3 and
it.
squeeze and we are changing the position.
Sister, please arrange for the adrenaline infusion. You dilute it in 1 ml of the adrenaline
So
with
I'll
9
start
ml of
1
saline.
and 2 and
Just
3
keep it
and
ready.
breathe
Just
in.
give it to
1
Dr.
and
Prabha.
2 and 3 and breathe in. 1 and 2 and 3 and breathe in. 1 and 2 and 3 and
Prabha,
breathe
just
in.
give.
1
Weight
and
is
2
approximately
and
3
and
kg,
breathe in.
Prabha.
1 and 2
Just give
and
0.3
breathe in.
ml per kg,
1 and
3
2
ml.
and 3 and breathe
0.3
in.
ml.
1 and 2 and 3 and
Rapid
breathe in.
push.
1
Okay.
and 2 and
Yes, sir.
3 and breathe in. 1 and 2 and 3 and breathe in. 1 and 2 and
Good.
3 and
Just,
breathe in. 1
just,
and 2
give
and
some flesh
3
also,
and
saline.
breathe in. 1 and 2 and 3 and breathe in. 1 and 2 and 3 and breathe in. 1 and 2 and 3 and breathe
Thank
in.
you, thank you,
1
Prabha.
and 2 and 3 and breathe in. 1
Can you
and
please
2
check the
and
heart rate,
3
Dr.
and
Prabha?
breathe in. 1 and 2 and 3
it's 1
and
minute
breathe
over.
in.
Can
1
please
and
check the
2
heart
and
rate.
3 and breathe in. 1 and 2 and 3 and breathe in. 1 and 2 and 3 and breathe in.
Still
1 and 2
30
and
only,
3
Dr.
and
Prabha.
breathe in.
Pulse oximeter
2
showing
and
only
3
30
and
is
breathe in.
now.
1 and 2 and 3
Can
and
you-
breathe in. 1
Sister, can you just give 10 ml per kg for the baby in normal saline?
And breathe in. 1 and 2
Papa,
and
can
3
you
and
just
breathe in.
push it through IV
Pulse,
UVL?
pulse. 1, 2, 3
Baby is
and
still
1
having
and
low.
2 and 3
Yes, the
and
color is
breathe
also
in.
not
1
good.
and 2 and 3
maybe.
and breathe in. 1 and 2 and 3 and breathe in. 1 and 2 and 3
The
and
pulses
breathe
are
in.
weak
1 and 2
and
and
the
3
baby is
and
still
breathe
in
in.
shock, so I am going
1
ahead
and
with
2,
the rapid
3
normal
and
saline
breathe
push.
in. 1 and 2 and 3 and
10 ml
breathe
per
in.
kg is given,
1
sir.
and
Okay,
2
thank you,
and
thank
3
you,
and
Prabha.
breathe in. 1 and 2 and 3 and breathe in. 1 and 2 and 3 and breathe in. 1 and 2 and 3 and
1
breathe in.
minute more. Can
1
you
and 2
check the
and
heart
3
rate,
and
Prabha?
breathe in. 1 and 2 and 3 and breathe in. 1 and 2 and 3 and breathe in. 1 and 2 and 3 and
His heart
breathe
rate
in.
is 90
1
now.
and 2 and
Thank
3
you.
and breathe in. So as the heart rate is 90, I would like to stop just compressions. Please continue. UPV.
Squeeze 2, 3. Breathe 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 2, 3.
30 seconds
Breathe
over.
2, 3.
Dr. Prabha, can you please auscultate and let me know the heart rate?
Breathe 2, 3. 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 Breathe 2, 3.
110.
110. Thank you,
Breathe 2,
Prabha.
3. Breathe 2, 3.
Anyway, baby is improved. Now the heart rate is 120 by
Breathe
pulse
two.
ox and saturations are 90s.
Breathe 2, 3. Breathe 2,
And,
3.
sister, can you please call the nursery, ICU, to make the arrangements for
Breathe 2, 3.
admission and tell them to ship the transport incubator to that labor room.
Breathe
Prabha,
2, 3.
can you please counsel the parents also regarding the baby's condition?
Yes, sir.
Please counsel them and the baby needs admission,
Breathe 2,
please.
3.
Yes, you fix it, sir. Please fix the this one.
Breathe 2, 3. 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 Breathe 2, 3.
Informed, huh? Yeah, ICU informed. Okay. The parents counsel
Parents
Prabha
are
already.
counseled, they
Okay,
are
Dinesh,
willing, the
baby is doing well, stable right now.
Breathe 2, 3.
Please, same the transport incubator has come.
Breathe 2, 3.
Can you please arrange for shifting the baby?
Yes, sir, we can shift the baby to ICU.
Okay,
for
baby is
further
stable
care.
now. Heart rate is fine and color is improving.
Breathe 2, 3. 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 Sir, please insert
Okay,
the
thank you,
NG tube,
Shafi sir. Thank you, Dinesh. We
Three.
can shift
Thank
the
you,
baby
sir.
to ICU now.
Breathe 2, 3. We are shifting the baby to ICU for post-registration care.
Inserting NG tube. Making NG tube from nasal bridge to the earlobe and also from middle point between the GP sternum and the umbilicus.
Breathe 2, 3.
So 26 centimeters. So I will intubate. I will insert the tube 26 centimeters
Breathe 2, 3.
and fix the
Breathe 2,
cord.
3. Breathe 2, 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 3.
Thank you. We'll shift the baby to ICU now. Just get the